Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to turn on or off split keyboard mode on Samsung. Any Samsung. So at first go to your any conversation, open conversation, then showing it to split keyboard mode. So I'm provide how can turn on. Okay, you need to first enable to auto rotate option. So I'm already enable auto rotate. Okay, auto rotate and go to settings, scroll down, click on general management or find here to general management, and find here to general management, showing it to Samsung keyboard settings or select keyboard settings, scroll down and then showing it to mode. So open, then showing it to split keyboard option, just select this to standard to select split keyboard. So you need to just change two settings, enable to split keyboard and enable auto rotate, and try this. So that's it.